In today's video, we're diving into my honest review of TeleTrade, a brokerage platform that many traders are familiar with, yet not everyone fully understands. Whether you're looking to trade forex, commodities, or indices, TeleTrade offers a comprehensive range of assets and services that cater to various trading needs. But how does it hold up against the competition? And is it the right broker for you? First, let's take a look at TeleTrade's platform interface. It's relatively easy to navigate and well-designed for both beginners and experienced traders. One of its standout features is its copy trading functionality, which allows you to follow and automatically copy the trades of top traders, potentially saving you a lot of time. This is a game changer for anyone who's new to trading or simply doesn't have the time to track market trends all day long. But what about the costs? Like any platform, TeleTrade has its fees, and it's crucial to understand what you're getting into before depositing your hard-earned money. The fees for certain trades can be a bit higher than other brokers, but TeleTrade makes up for this with its educational resources and customer support, which are particularly strong. They offer a variety of tutorials and webinars to help you sharpen your trading skills. Additionally, their customer support team is quick to respond and provides detailed assistance when needed. Now, what about the downsides? One thing to keep in mind is that TeleTrade might not be the cheapest option on the market. Some users have mentioned that there are occasional delays in executing trades, which could be problematic if you're trying to make fast decisions during volatile market conditions. Also, depending on your location, there might be certain restrictions on the assets you can trade. Are you tired of the ups and downs of trading and constantly analyzing market trends? PrimeXPT offers a seamless solution. Copy the trades of experienced, successful traders and replicate their strategies automatically. With PrimeXPT, you can step up your trading game without all the hassle. Just register, make a deposit, and start copying winning trades today. Overall, TeleTrade is a solid option if you're looking for a broker with copy trading features and extensive educational support. While the fees might be a bit higher in some areas, the platform's tools and resources help balance them out. If you're a beginner, you'll appreciate the learning curve, and experienced traders will enjoy the ease of navigating the platform. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future reviews.